आज हम डॉक्टर स्पेक्ट्रा में आरवी सिंह जी का फीडबैक शेयर कर रहे हैं उनकी डॉक्टर रिपोर्ट्स और प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ। आइए सुनते हैं उन्होंने अपनी टिनाइटिस की प्रॉब्लम को कैसे ठीक किया।
डॉक्टर आरवी सिंह सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अपना वीडियो फीडबैक हमारे साथ शेयर करने के लिए। आप मुझे बताएंगे सर, आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं और आपकी एज क्या है?
मैं तो I'm from Malaysia. I have settled in Delhi.
ओके, सो आपको ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ सर, और आपने इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए कहाँ कहाँ दिखाया डॉक्टर्स को?
I have shown it to the ENT specialists, and they also recommended some sort of equipment like yours. And then I thought I saw the advertisement for this, and that's how I went to the office, and then I started this treatment.
So now out of 100%, how much percent do you feel better, sir?
I think about 75 to 80 it becomes better.
Okay.
But when I'm taking certain medicines, say melatonin or something like that, then it increases and then again it gets reduced.
Okay. So sir, अभी आप बाकी पेशेंट्स के लिए कुछ अवेयरनेस प्लीज सर।
Good sign in the sense that definitely I'm not sure how far it be. I'll get the full recovery or not, but certainly it will help the people. Because it was advised in the Max Hospital also, but that equipment was very costly, so I did not go for that.
Okay.
So I find that your equipment also is solving the same problem, then it's okay.
Okay, so sir, last question. Can I put this video feedback on my YouTube channel, sir, for the awareness to among people who have this problem?
I think better it is to let me be away from this.
Sir, okay, I will hide your face, sir.
That's okay. That's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
You
Thank
too, sir.
Thank you.